naman din nyo. Umabot na ng pangatlo, hindi pa rin gumagana yung mic.
Diyan ang show na ko. Galit na galit na siya.
So tonight we have witnessed Filipinos who have stepped into their power and own their story. But before we crown a new queen, we honor the woman who has carried this title with grace, strength, and purpose. For the past year, she has represented the Filipino with dignity and heart on stage and beyond. This is her final walk as Miss Universe Philippines. Let's take a look back at the amazing journey of our reigning queen. Please watch this.
Sir Volts, i-clear lang natin yung viral video na kumakalat ngayon na si Sir Jonas daw may hinampas, nagalit, nagwala. Anong katotohanan?
He was very frustrated when the mics were not working. He was trying to call the production. So, nung hindi sumasagot, actually walang signal, in frustration, tinapon niya yung phone. Very clear, he did not make hampas to anyone. He did next to Misha, that's truth into what people are saying. Like, na there. In fact, natawa nga ako. In my mind, like sabi ko, oh my gosh, baka nasira yung phone niya. Like 2 seconds later, he looked at it. And then later on, I was even joking with him, at least meron tayong sponsor na phone. Because, look, he spent so much. We've been trying so hard to make this production perfect. And then, malapit na matapos, and all of a sudden, magkakaroon ng ganun. And, you do something 98% correct, and then the 2% is what people will focus on. And then, it's unfortunate, but it's just out of frustration. I think anybody in production would feel that way. And it's unfair for him to be judged by people, to be bashed for that one incident.
With a few seconds.
Yes, but throughout all of this time, where are all of the people talking about the good things that he's done, the good things that he's done for the pageant industry, for Miss Universe Philippines, and for the delegates? I hope that people can do that and reconsider all of those things and take that into consideration. But just to be clear, he didn't throw the phone at anyone. In fact, Misha, kasama niya, they went to Boracay the next day. Like, super not true.
Walang ganon. Mabuti malinaw, Sir Volts, no? Thank you so much, Sir Volts.
Thank you.
Ay, galit na si Mama Donna. Gwapo pa man din nyo.
Yan si Shona, oh. Galit na siya.